Hello, good evening from Kashmir. Myself Kaisar Ahmad Rathir. Basically, I am a native citizen of Indian administration, Kashmir, you can say, and I live in a remote village, namely Kangan, in the central Kashmir of Indian state. So, as per my education qualification is concerned, I have a master's degree in international relations with specialization in peace and conflict studies from Islamic University of Science and Technology, Kashmir. I have my bachelor's degree in science. Actually, in the childhood, or I can say in the beginning of my educational career, I chose science as a subject, but then I thought I have to be in the lab or laboratory for decades to get research on the things. If I will choose science as a future, I have to be in the lab for 24 hours and 7 days in the week. Then I opted for social science, and some mentors suggested me to go for the international relations, peace and conflict studies. This is the beginning of my career as a social activist, as a rights activist, as an entrepreneur. So after that, I have done my internships with United Nations Development Program in India, Amnesty International, VSO International, and so many I can say national-based organizations in India. I am also volunteering with a number of organizations in Kashmir who are serving the people in different means, and I have also formed, I can say that I am the managing or founder director of Initiative for Sustainable Development and Peace, which is a youth-led organization where we are working for the promotion of sustainable development goals and implementation of sustainable development goals in conflict-hit Kashmir. Kashmir is a place which is a conflict between India and Pakistan from last 70 years. So that working on the things here is a little bit difficult because people make you suspicious at a very first moment without knowing the background or without knowing the details of the program what you are doing. So it is I can say that it is a little bit difficult to work in Kashmir as an activist or as a youth leader, but somehow I like to change the challenges and I am taking it the challenge very good. I joined the 360 initiative because it is a global movement for the implementation of peace, for the promotion of conflict building, and for the promotion of mental health, as well as it has a good objective there to serve the people in means of disasters or at the time of disaster. So overall, I can say that this initiative is an organization of powerful, young, enthusiastic people who have a vision of life as well as the community who have the vision of life to serve the people on a large front. That is why I am here up for Peace 360 initiative due to the diversity of its team and due to the diversity of its aims and objectives. The unique thing about the Peace 360 initiative is that in Peace 360 initiative team or in the making of team, everybody is a beginner. Everybody is starting his career with Peace 360 initiative on a global level, at a global level. So I can say the basic members and I can say that there are four areas where the founder of Peace 360 is looking for is the beginners who have impacted or who have done some work in their respective areas in means of social entrepreneurship, or we can say who in social activism. India is a developing country, and you know that in a developing country there are so many problems. But as per I have sorted out some major problems in India is poverty, is the lack of exposure among the youth living in rural areas, and the lack of leadership qualities in the people. If we will work on these problems, I can say that we will be having a pool of leadership and pool of young people and pool of other diverse people from other diversified backgrounds, so that if we will get these things, then we will be having an intellectual section as well as an powerful, I can say that qualified section, so that they, after getting these people or after working on this problem, when we will get this group of people, they will surely work for the positivity in their communities in India, and they will be the change makers for tomorrow and as well as for the Peace 360 initiative. As the country representative for India, my first focus would be on to bridge the gap between youth and other stakeholders so that they can work on a joint platform under the aims and objectives of Peace 360 to promote the positivity among the people and to promote the mental health as well as peace building, conflict building, disasters relief, and overall I can say my basic focus would be on to make a pool of people, to make a group of young, energetic, powerful people to work for every possible help in the society according to the aims and objectives of Peace 360. I would try to do my best for the promotion of 360 and to bridge the gaps between the Indian youth for the cause we are here in Peace 360. I wish that we could do better for the societies apart from the differences in religion, caste, creed, and other things. Hope to work together under the guidance of our international team and under the guidance of our experienced Chris. Thank you.